What's up, my people? Welcome back to PRENEUR'S Palace once again. I am your man, Mr. Preneur, and today I'll be giving you guys 5 things you need to start making a habit out of from today onwards. Before we get into that, be sure to click the like button and subscribe, and don't forget, once we reach the end of the video, be sure to share with your friends and family. Guys, do all that good stuff and let's get into it. Point number 1, start waking up earlier. The reason why I say this is because when you wake up earlier, you will actually have more time throughout the day. This way, you can actually throw up your schedule. If you do have a schedule, you can actually do your workout if you work out, or if you prefer to work out in the morning. You can also do other things that you maybe would like to get out of the way before you actually begin your day. But the beginning of your day does actually start there, and that's why I say rather wake up earlier so that you can sort your day out, so that you know you get to reduce the amount of stress, and you know your day will basically just go smooth throughout. Point number 2. I want you to start prepping your meals properly. Now guys, shoppers and survivors, that one, it's like, oh, it's delicious, right? I also had it for breakfast, when I don't have less, to fry my andas and all that stuff. But never mind that, right? Breakfast is the fuel to our day, guys. Now some might miss it. And if you are still skipping breakfast, make this thing a habit, man. Start eating liquor and also show off your chef skills. Point number 3, I want you to be more active, man. I know, you're gonna wake up in the morning, you're not gonna feel like, another day at school, another day at work. I want you to also jump out and go into another body. Guys, I want you to start being active in the morning, man. The morning is very important, guys, man. And I want you to start making a habit out of this, because I want you to have an awesome ass day every single day. And that's where it starts. So whether maybe you go to the gym, do a 15-20 minute exercise, go for a jog, it doesn't matter. Even if you dance, we prefer dancing in the morning even. Whatever you do, you know what I mean? Just get a little active, to get the heart racing, the pumping, and also get to burn some calories, That's like a win-win and a win situation. Point number 4, I want you to start reading. Now when you hear reading, you probably think, yes, reading, I know. Reading. No, don't think about it like that. Take reading as a way of grooming yourself. Not that grooming that normally, not that one. The other one. Take this one as a one where you get to bring growth to the brain, right? The brain is very important. This one, power station. This one, ESCOM. So if there's no electricity being generated up here, there's basically nothing that can happen. Right? So that's why I say I want you to start reading. Just take some time and read. Get to learn something new, because that's very important. That way you get to stimulate the brain, and also you make it much easier for you. So when you interact with someone and that person maybe brings up something, you at least or most probably will have an answer to that because of the book that you maybe read. Point number 5, I want you to start going to bed earlier. Now, yes, this one is a problem to give your body the time it needs to do what it has to do. Plus, the next day when you wake up, you actually get to wake up earlier. It makes it much easier to wake up earlier. See, because you went to bed earlier instead of sleeping late, and you have to wake up earlier, and you wake up earlier, and if slap tiger. Now I'm not gonna force you and be like, I'm from then go sleep on a Friday. Friday I want you out by 10 o'clock now. It's not that necessary. But if you think about it though, take it this way, right? If I sleep earlier, right, the next day I'll be able to wake up earlier, meaning I'll get to do more, right? If you want to sleep late, you can go ahead, but the next day you're gonna wake up late, and what will happen? You get to do less. So basically, the choice is yours. The ball is in your court. Guys, hit that like button and subscribe, and don't forget to drop a comment down below. And also, most importantly, share with your friends and family. Until next time, peace and ho ho! And now.